Hi, this is Stephen with Fastcall. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the page layout called Fastcall Task Layout for task records. This is necessary because, in order for your users to see the information Fastcall stores about a call, it has to be exposed on a page layout. Before we get started, there are two circumstances where this change may not be suitable for your org. Firstly, when you've already modified your task page layout, in which case you'll want to add the relevant fields to your own custom layout. Secondly, if you've decided to configure Fastcall so it doesn't create task records. However, you can easily undo this change later if needed, so for right now, let's assume that these circumstances don't apply and that you want to use the Fastcall task layout. I'm going to go to my Salesforce settings. I'm then going to go to the Object Manager, and I'm going to find the Task object. On the Task object, I'm going to go to the Page Layouts tab, and I can see that there is a new page layout called Fastcall Task Layout. I'm going to change the page layout assignment. I'm going to edit the assignment, and I'm going to change for the standard user and the system administrator to use the Fastcall task layout. And that's it. You'll see the impact of this change in the later training modules.